Mila, I have to admit that I was reluctant to try online dating site, but I knew it was what I wanted to do. It wasn't long into the search process when I came across your profile. I remember this moment very distinctly. Your profile picture was the first thing that caught my eye immediately. You were wearing a cute denim blouse and a black skirt, and you had the most beautiful smile and flat nose. I just knew I had to speak with you. We texted back and forth briefly until it was time for you to sleep. I wasn't sure if you would ever talk to me again. Sure enough, the very next morning, you called me when you woke up, and we never stopped talking since. I'm not sure if you know this or not, but I had a set of standards that were important to me when finding the right woman before beginning my search. First of all, it was important to me that this woman was kind and caring. I quickly found out that you possess these qualities. You're always asking me how I am and if I need anything, and you always show that you genuinely care about me and my day. Secondly, it was imperative for me to find a woman that will be honest, genuine, and loyal. You were also quick to show these traits. We had consistent correspondence right away through constant messaging and video calls, which never subsided for our entire 3-year relationship. This to me was so important. This demonstrated the amount of dedication that you had with me and we had for each other. Lastly, I can't overstate this enough. The woman I was looking for needed to have a good personality and a great sense of humor. This is my favorite quality of yours, and it's the main reason I fell in love with you and wanted to be with you for the rest of my life. You have a wonderful and optimistic outlook on life, and it fills your personality with so much life and energy. I can't help to be happy in your presence. Loumila, I understand your concern and reservation about me changing in the future. You've expressed this to me in the past. Of course, I don't know exactly what the future brings, but what I can assure you is that I'm 35 years old now, and I'm confident in the man that I am, and I'm confident in the man standing before you is the man that I will be now and always. I'm consistently me, and I'm so fortunate that you're giving me the opportunity to demonstrate this and my love for you the rest of our lives. Loumila, I love you so much, and I promise you that you just made the best decision of your life, and I know I have.
Jason,